Hi, my Disney family. This is Vicky with Vicky's Tigger Tales, and I have today a long-awaited special double unboxing of the Be Our Guest Express boxes. Now, I received 2 boxes today. I had ordered my December box on December 5th and received it today. And I signed up to do the subscription through them in January and also received that box as well. But they have had some problems with shipping and their vendors and do all this due to COVID and everything. I went ahead and decided to try out some other boxes instead and canceled my subscription. They are also doing something a little different now. Their February box, you got to pick between a Mickey and Minnie Valentine's box or the child box. And I personally am more fond of the preference boxes, the ones that actually kind of more curtail to you. So I went ahead and canceled out my subscription, and I will be testing out a couple of other boxes that are more geared to my preferences. I was a little disappointed in how it came. Like, it did come wrapped in this plastic wrap. However, as you can see on the box itself, there's some staining and stuff right here, and it is a little crunched in the back. I'm hoping everything is fine. I'm sure it is. Nonetheless, the reason why is that it was wet on the inside, and it was kind of strange that it was wet on the inside of a plastic wrap. So that either tells me that it's been sitting there for a while, or sitting out for a while, or it was wet before they decided to go ahead and wrap. I don't know which one is which. They're 2 different tiers. My December was, I believe, this $65 or $60 tier, and back that up. December was the $99 tier, and the January was the $60 tier. So I haven't checked. I've only looked on the inside of the box. In the inside of the wrapping to see how it came, because it was crumpled. I was a little worried, but I haven't checked anything else out. So what's inside is going to be as much as a surprise to me as it is to you guys. So here's the standard packing slip. Even that was a little not in great shape. And then there's a new card. It says the Escort. It doesn't look like a Kincaid though, but that is from the Kincaid Studios. Interesting. So I'll show you that. It's called The Escort, and it's a Star Wars Mandalorian theme. It's a limited edition art, and it says, now available at your Thomas Kincaid Studio Gallery. You can get it in several different sizes. So very cool. Big fan of The Mandalorian. I halfway was tempted about doing the theme child, but I do have a lot of the child stuff already, so I didn't really want to take a chance on any kind of duplicates. So here's the inside, packaged pretty well. With green foozles. Okay, and so I do see a Thomas Kincaid in there. I'm going to start with this box first. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, okay, it looks like it's in a wooden box. Oh, looks actually like it could be coasters. And it does have a fragile sticker on it, so I'm hoping everything turned out okay. Oh, these are gorgeous. Okay, so they are coasters, and they are Jungle Book themed, which is one of my absolute favorite Disney movies. Here is the first one. Look at that. That is so beautiful. All of the Disney animals that are in this movie are some of my absolute favorite sidekicks. And they're all different. Here's the next one. trying to get it so it doesn't glare on us. Here's the next. Wow, these are really super pretty. Here is the next. And there's the last. So cool start off to this. I absolutely adore Jungle Book. Has always been one of my favorites. The live action, absolutely love that as well. They are, I think it's just because of all the animals. I thought that growing up that was one of the things that I wanted to do, is become a zoologist. Didn't happen. It's okay. But I've always had a huge passion for the animals. And then you'll see it before me. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. So I'll take it out of the plastic so there's less glare. Oh, this is cool. I love Thomas Kincaid's. They're such great photos. And it's Mickey and Minnie. It looks like they're going, looks like it's a red carpet event. You got Goofy and Donald. And you get a little bit of Pluto's nose right here in the corner. But check that out. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, this is so cute. I really love this. Oh, and then I have Daisy on the side here. Let's see if there's any. Okay, on the other side, looks like, okay, you can see the rest of Pluto's head right here. But check this out. This is so cute. So awesome. Okay, love that. Love that. See if there's anything else in the box. It doesn't look like it. So it's just those two items, and I'll check the packing slip just to make sure. Yeah, it is. Okay, so the Mickey and Minnie in Hollywood. Okay, so it looked like we got rid. Yep, that was what it was. It was packaged by Abrel. Thank you, Abrel. I really appreciate that. The Jungle Book Thomas Kincaid coasters were $36.99, and the Minnie and Mickey in Hollywood Thomas Kincaid is $42, making my total of $78.99. This is going to be my January box, but cute little picture on the inside too. Very cute. All right, so good start to the unbox. I'm really glad that those items were not damaged in any way. So we'll get into the second box that I have. This is going to be the December one. Sorry, I did it backwards, but I didn't know which one was which. Again, not the best condition. It has some like print bleeding right here where it got wet. But hopefully everything is still in good tact. Again, we've got packing slip, same insert on the card. Packing slip is a little bit creased. And there's some water, looks like some water damage to it as well. I'll set that aside so I don't cheat and look. Package on the inside. And let's see. Excuse me. I've been a little under the weather. Nothing serious, just not feeling up to my old self, but on the downside. So, okay, I do see a red box. It has a little crease in it. Again, like I said, it had got a little crunched. So, excuse me. Oh, this is really cute. So it's my absolute favorite character. And he is holding a heart. Oh, this is really super cute. It's Tigger, and he's holding a little heart. So very sweet. He will go up right behind me. Excuse me. And, oh, I just moved some of the frizzles away and already saw the print. There is a Thomas Kincaid print in here as well. And let's see here. I'm actually going to go for that last and show you one more thing. It does seem as though I did also receive a ornament, a Thomas Kincaid ornament. And this is super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is Bambi. And this is also one of my favorite movies. Not necessarily for the content anymore. As we all know, it's not the most positive or happy movies. But I do love all of the characters and how they really rally around Bambi and are so close to him as friends. So this is super cute. It's Bambi and Flower. Flower is probably one of my favorite sidekicks that I have actually gravitated to. One of the things that I had as a little girl was a Flower stuffed animal. If I could actually find that again, that would be awesome. And it did come with like a little string to hang the ornament up. But that is really, really cool. And it's in the shape of Thumper. I love that. Very cool. And I'm super happy about this. I love and I have always wanted this print. I love this print. It is my favorite scene from the movie. And when you see it, you'll see why. Probably one of your favorites too. It is Rapunzel and Flynn, I'm sorry. My grandson's name is Finn, so now I'm getting those mixed up often. But isn't this so cute? Oh my goodness, I love this. This is so beautiful. And been wanting to redo my background with the pictures that I have been receiving. I did find a couple of really cool pictures at an antique store that I will be probably either showcasing in another video or just talking about in another just talking about the background from my video because they are really super cool. This spoiler says the Tangle Thomas Kincaid is $42. The Tigger Holding Heart Jim Shore $45, and Bambi and Friends Thomas Kincaid Light Catching Hanging Star $25, making my box $112. So very good value for the box. I know that there has been some organizational and problems with shipping and stuff like that. So it's been a long time coming. I ordered, like I said, that December box on December 5th, and today is February 22nd is when I received it. I understand that there's a lot of things going on in the world that are preventing, mail coming, vendors shipping, that kind of stuff. I understand that. And I wish everyone best of luck for any kind of business ventures that are out there, as I know it can be quite a struggle nowadays. So the next box that I am going to be receiving is going to be a Mickey Loot, so keep an eye out for that. I have heard wonderful things about their company. I did want to try them out anyway, so that is the next one that is coming my direction, and I will have a video uploaded soon when I receive it. I hope all of you are staying healthy, staying well. Like I said, I'm not feeling 100%, but I am not. It is not something serious. So thankfully, knock on wood. And I wish you all stay, like I said, stay just healthy, happy, and just take care of yourselves. One of my good friends, Disney good friends, always says to wear your mask. It really works. It does really work. I have not been in a position where I've had any kind of exposure, so it has been, and there can be. So really just do what you're asked to do. I don't want anything to happen to any of my loved ones out there. So I love you all. Keep things magical and always have a terrific day.